Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to recover TikTok drafts after deleting the app. So as you can see, this is the official app of TikTok. So just make sure to download this correct app from the App Store or Play Store, and once you have downloaded the app, just make sure to log in with your account. And once you're logged in with your account, side of TikTok, like the app of TikTok, and just you will see multiple options: home, friends, inbox, and profile. So just click on this profile icon, and once you are on the profile icon, just click on these three lines on the upper right corner, and you will see like TikTok Studio, balance, QR code, settings, and privacy. So just click on settings and privacy, and once you're in the settings and privacy section, so just scroll down at the end, and you will see like support and about section. Click on report a problem, and once you click on report a problem, so you will go to another page. So let it load, and here you are facing a problem. You can read all the different stuff here. So just scroll down and click on this option, chat with us, and once you go to this section, chat with us option, so this is basically a kind of support team of TikTok. So what you can do is just click on any of the options, like let's say monetization. I click on this option, and they will basically guide you to something different, or like you have to get submit a ticket option at the end. So let them just complete this details, and I again click on any of the option, and here are like these are the basic questions, and just click on these options, and as you can see, this is the option submit a ticket. So just click on this option, submit a ticket, and you have to write down like, I want to recover my TikTok recover my TikTok draft, and also write down the complete details, like give them information that I accidentally deleted it and now I want to recover it, so help me. And you can also attach the pictures or a video of your any facing the problem. So just write down the details, attach the picture, and click on submit. And once you click on submit, they will like help you recovering the TikTok drafts. They will contact you like within 24 to 48 hours and solve your problem. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.